Guys, I hope everybody's taking care and being blessed. As you know, I'm actually doing locks on my mannequin. I could not find locks on mannequins, and I wanted to be able to practice styling and all that good stuff, so I decided to make it myself. I was going to make them with human hair, but when I seen the cost, it was pricey. It took forever, and I was like, you know what? I don't feel like doing that. I can make them myself too, but I was like, you know what? I just went in and just did me some synthetic locks. You can also do some yarn. You can use yarn if you want to. You can use human hair if you want to. But I wind up using the braiding hair. I braided the braids down, and then I wrapped it with the Marley Cuban twist hair. I also purchased some braids. So what I'm going to try is these other ones. I'm going to try to do it with the braids already done, and I'm going to wrap it with the Marley hair and see how that works, because that will take less time. I'm trying to find something that take less time but still look good. So you got the best of both worlds. I'm going to have the regular lock extensions down here, and I'm going to try to crochet single single crochet, single braid, but they're going to be lock extensions. Again, synthetic hair. And I kind of liked it when the hair was curly, because I did a couple of them, and it made it even better once I cut the actual braid. But if you only have just regular braids, that'll work too, but these are just the goddess braids, so we'll go try that. But today's video though is going to be about me showing you how to close the ends of the lock extensions that I showed you how to do earlier. I'm not going to burn them. I don't want to burn them because I don't want them hard. I hate when I burn them. So this is one of those gloves that you use when you are flat ironing and stuff, because you most definitely want that. What I'm going to be doing is using a flat iron. This is one of the little small flat irons, so I'm going to use that to be able to seal these off. Because you want to seal it off, because you don't want to. I'm going to be doing a lot of manipulating with it, and I don't want it to come off. So, but you probably don't have to seal it, but I find too they don't stick together when you seal it. Here goes some ones. When you do seal it. Here is some ones I've done already. They're already sealed and everything, and I don't got to worry about them coming undone. Here this is right there. And I put a little bit of a teal color. I loved it with some Cuban teal color that I had, but I don't have any more. So now I'm just going to go in with using all the black. Okay. What I'm going to do is use and again, this is like one of them curling irons, y'all, for your edges. You know, the little small curling iron for your edges. That's all this is. Take it, and you're going to just be going down with the curling iron. And you can do this with any curling iron. I just find this little small one works a lot better. And like I said, I'm just sealing it, going in, and I'm going to most definitely go to the bottom and just kind of just go around, and this will seal it off. So instead of you using again a lighter, you just use this actual stick. And you can also use these when you're doing braids. Like if you know how you want to seal it off, you can also use this, but it depends on the hair, because I've been finding this new hair that they got out that's already pre-stretched, and the different textures, it does well with heat sometimes. So like I said, it just depends. I used to always use that back in the day, jumbo braiding hair, and it worked perfect for that. So like I said, it just depends on the hair. So I'm just going in, and like I said, I'm just kind of, so it won't stick together, and just going down. Make sure you go where you close it off at. You just do like that. And that's how you seal. We're going to be sealing the lock extensions. But like I said, we're finna start the crocheting. I'm going to see how I like that. And if I like that, we go probably keep doing that single crochet. Because anything that take less time, guys, because I'm telling you, this is time consuming. This is why I don't do these no more. They are time consuming, but they look so good. Even if you use yarn too. Yarn is awesome too. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on yarn. Okay, and now what I like to do is just spray it with a little bit of water and oil. And they coming along good, y'all. And I got these gloves on so I wouldn't get burnt, because you most definitely got to have these gloves when you're using a small little and here it is. It's just like one of them little edge things when you're doing edges. And I've been using it for so much stuff. You see how brown it is? I always use it on synthetic hair, so it's been around for a minute. Okay, guys. So here we go. Just wanted to show you where we're getting at. And like I said, I could not find a locked mannequin, so I had to make my own. You can use human hair, but human hair is going to be very costly, but that'll be great too. or you can use synthetic hair. Okay, stay tuned to the end results, y'all, and stay tuned to different lock styles. Like I said, I want to start doing lock styles. I'm not going to be doing lock styles like all the time, but when my clients do have somewhere special to go, I most definitely want to be able to do them some different little styles. But when it comes to styling all the time with locks, I wouldn't do it. Do not style your locks all the time. Only on special occasions, and leave them up for so long, okay? And make sure you think about the way that you'll be retwisting it. So I'm going to be twisting it this way. So I want to make sure I'm doing it right. Because you'll be treating it just like a lock, y'all. Sometimes I might do classes and retwist. So most definitely want it to be going the right way. And then just kind of open it up as you go. So I want to make sure it's not too long, but long enough. Because real locks, I want to have it the length of real locks. In the back, the back of locks are always the longest, and then they gradually go shorter and shorter. So I don't want them too long, but not too short either. Okay, so that's about good enough. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, y'all, is I'm gonna wrap back up.
Don't pester those below. Because they're below. The ones above won't answer.
I'm gonna cut some of that. And there you have it, a lock. And I'm gonna go in and do all of them, and once I get finished, I'll come back to you guys.